Guys, we're standing a table right there.
We got a sanding machine, guys, and we're gonna sand this table right here. Yeah. Pretty cool. This is an awesome table.
And we also, I'm gonna show you what we did in the back house right here. We did the floor. As you can see, we put the lamp. We covered the window because someone broke it. We painted that. It's gonna be fixed. And the sink. Yeah, we're taking the sink stuff out. We're gonna buy a new sink or fix it or use or something. And yeah, this is the view from outside. From outside, let's go from inside to outside. Oh, what's up, guys? Okay. Yep. Okay, guys, so we just sanded the whole thing here. So now we're gonna spray paint it
with the 2-cover Ultra Cover paint primer. So this is a primer, and it's also paint. It comes with primer in the same time, and this is a really good paint, guys. It lasts you about a year. It lasted me a year, and it saves you money. So.
What's up, guys? So, we finished painting it, sanding it. We're gonna leave it overnight, and let's see how it goes. We're gonna make another video about this, but yeah, guys, I'll see you next time.